Hi again, it's Deah, a recent successful SLA applicant, and I'm here to answer some more of your questions about my SLA application process. How did you prove your Slovak ancestry? I actually used my grandfather's death certificate. The reason I use the death certificate is because it very clearly says on here that his origin or descent is Slovak. Even though my grandfather was born in America, he was never even set foot in Slovakia because I don't need to prove citizenship or anything for SLA. I just need to prove that he was ethnically Slovak. So along with a family tree, I have my grandfather's death certificate, my father's birth certificate, as well as my birth certificate. And that demonstrates then the heritage of my grandfather and how it is linked down to me. Question 4, how did I know the documents would work? Technically speaking, we don't ever really know until SLA office approves it. But how did I know these were viable documents was that I hired Samuel Durovchik to assist me with this process, and it was very helpful, and in later videos I will talk about what the benefits were for me in hiring him. And if you have any questions in particular, please put them down in the comments. And for more in-depth information, please check out Global Slovakia's SLA and Citizenship by Descent workshop. It is only $66.99, so check it out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.